Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
Assalamu alaikum guys. NAB Ordinance 1999 से related part 11 MCQs. Question number 141. As per section 31B of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999, the Prosecutor General Accountability may with the consent of dash withdraw from prosecution of any accused. Option A, Chairman NAB. Option B, Court. Option C, President. Option D, none of above. Right answer is option A, Chairman NAB. Question number 142. As per section 31C of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999, no court established under this ordinance shall take cognizance of an offence against an officer or an employee of a bank or financial institution for writing off, waiving, restricting, or refinancing any financial facility, interest, or markup without prior approval of the option A, President. Option B, Chairman NAB. Option C, Court. Option D, State Bank of Pakistan. The answer is option D, State Bank of Pakistan. Question number 143. Section dash of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with protection of witness. Option A 31C, option B 31D, option C 31A, option D none of above. Right answer is option C 31E. Question number 144. Section dash of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deal with appeal and review. Question A 31E, option B 31F, option C 32, option D none of above. Right answer is option C 32. Question number 145. Any person aggrieved by the final judgment and ordered of the court under National Accountability Ordinance 1999 may refer an appeal to the option A, Court of District and Session Judge, option B, High Court, option C, Supreme Court, option D, none of above. The right answer is option B, High Court. Question number 146. As per section 32 of the National Accountability Ordinance, time limitation for filing appeal against accountability court order before the High Court is dash days. Option A 10 days, option B 20 days, option C 30 days, option D none of above. The right answer is option A 10 days. Question number 147. As per section 32B of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999, all appeals against the final judgment and order filed before the High Court will be heard by option A, a single judge, option B, a bench of not less than 2 judges, option C, both A and B, option D, none of above. Right answer is option B, a bench of not less than 2 judges. Question number 148. All appeals against the final judgment and ordered filed before the High Court shall be finally disposed of within dash days. Option A 30 days, option B 60 days, option C 90 days, option D none of above. The right answer is option A 30 days. Question number 149. As per section 32C of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999, no revision shall lie against option A interlocutory order, option B final order, Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, interlocutory order. Question number 150. Section 33 of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 deals with transfer of option A, proceedings pending before a court under Ehtasab Act 1997 to any civil court. Option B, proceedings pending before a court under Ehtasab Act 1997 to court established under National Accountability Ordinance. Option B, both A and B. Option C, none of above. The right answer is option B, proceedings pending before a court under Ehtasab Act 1997 to court established under National Accountability Ordinance. थैंक यू गाइस। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और कमेंट देना न मत भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू। अल्लाह।